Struggling to get back into a workout routine after the holidays? Try this if you want to do that quickly. You're not alone. The holidays are a time to enjoy ourselves, but it can be hard to get back to health habits afterwards. But don't worry, it's possible. In this video I'm going to share my top tips on how to get back on track and start feeling your best again. I'm Marek and I'm a software developer with 14 years of experience, and I've been working remotely for almost that entire time. So I know what it's like to try to stay fit and healthy while working from home. I know it can be tough, especially if you let yourself go a bit. But it's important to remember that even a little bit of exercise is better than none. So here are a few tips to help you get back on track. Make a plan. Schedule your workouts in advance and stick to your plans as much as possible. This will help you to avoid excuses for not working out. When you're scheduling workouts, be realistic about how much time you have available. If you're short on time, try to schedule shorter workouts. Or you could try breaking up your workouts into smaller chunks throughout the day. It's also important to be flexible with your plan. If something comes up and you can't make it to a scheduled workout, don't beat yourself up. Just reschedule your workouts for a later time. To help me grow my channel and make more videos like this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Find an activity you enjoy. If you don't enjoy your workouts, you're less likely to stick with them. There are endless possibilities such as running, swimming, biking, dancing, hiking, lifting weights, yoga, pilates, and team sports. You can also try taking a fitness class or joining a gym to meet new people to find motivation. If you're not sure what activity you enjoy, try a few different things until you find something you like. You can also mix and match different activities to create your own unique workout routine. For example, if you like to run and dance, you could try doing a cardio dance class. Or if you like to lift weights and hike, you could try doing a weight training circuit followed by a hike in the park. Set realistic goals. Don't set yourself up for failure by setting unrealistic goals. Instead, set small, achievable goals that you could build on over time. For example, instead of saying, I want to lose 10 pounds in 2 weeks, say, I want to work out 3 times a week for 30 minutes each time. Once you achieved your initial goals, you can set new, more challenging goals for yourself. For example, you could increase the number of time you work out per week, or you could increase the duration or intensity of your workouts. It's also important to set SMART goals. SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, a SMART goal for getting back into a workout routine would be: I will work out 3 times a week for 30 minutes each time, starting on January 1st and continuing for 1 month. Find a workout buddy. Having a workout buddy can help you stay motivated and accountable. Find someone who is also trying to get back into a workout routine and schedule regular workouts together. You can work out with your friend in person, or you can work out remotely using video chat. Having someone to work out with can help you push yourself harder and stay on track. If you don't have any friends who are trying to get back into a workout routine, you can try finding a workout buddy online or at your local gym. Don't be afraid to take breaks. It's important to take breaks when you're working out, especially if you're just starting out. Don't be afraid to stop and rest if you need to. It's also important to listen to your body and take a break from working out if you're feeling pain. It's okay to feel sore after a workout, but if you're feeling pain, that's a sign that you need to take a break. Pushing yourself too hard can lead to injuries, so it's important to be careful. And the most important, have fun. Exercise is a great way to improve your physical and mental health, so make the most of it. Now I know what you're thinking. Marek, that's all great advice, but I'm just not motivated. I get it. It can be tough to get motivated to work out, especially after the holidays. But here's a little trick that I use. I tell myself that I'm just going to do a quick 10 minutes workout, and once I started working out, I usually end up doing more than I planned. So try next time you're feeling unmotivated, just tell yourself that you're going to do a quick 10-minute workout and see where it takes you. I hope these tips help you get back into a workout routine and start feeling your best again. Here's another great video that will help you to grow remotely.